My name is Andrew. I'm a pastor. I give Backblaze 5 out of 5. And for more reviews like this, click below. Before I started using Backblaze, I was using Crash Plan, which was okay, but eventually transitioned to doing commercial backups only and didn't really fit the needs of just me and my household. I chose Backblaze mostly because Wirecutter of the New York Times told me to, and they were absolutely right. Backblaze is fairly inexpensive for the kinds of backup services it provides. It's intuitive, it does things quickly, and I've never had a problem with it. Getting started with Backblaze was really easy. The hardest part was just having to wait to get everything uploaded, and after that, it's been a piece of cake. If you're considering getting Backblaze, I'd highly recommend getting enough licenses for all the devices in your house. I think it's an affordable thing to do that makes sure all of your data is protected. Another thing to take a look at is whether you need the advanced version control. Someone like me who does not have lots of kind of data that relies on that precise level of backup doesn't make sense for me. But if you are one of those people, Backblaze has competitive prices on that kind of granular backup.